experimental probability then is found by conducting an experiment or survey or by looking at an event's history. Experimental probability is used when the total number of possible outcomes is unknown or cannot be calculated. So experimental probability means that an experiment or a trial has already been done and data has been collected upon those trials or experiments. So experimental probability is the number of trials. So if you're trying to find the probability of event A, it's the number of trials where event A occurred over the total number of trials you've done. So a trial of an experiment can be something as simple as a flip of a coin. A survey is an experiment in which each response is a single trial. Multiple different possibilities or situations there. But data has been collected, surveys been taken, experiments been done, those sorts of things for experimental probability. So 3 and 4, it says to help choose a mascot for a new school, 200 students were asked to pick their favorite from the following mascots: a falcon, a lion, and a panther. So the results are shown in the table at the right. And the experimental probability that a randomly chosen student prefers a lion as the mascot is 76 out of 100, or out of 200. And again, I'm not too concerned about it being reduced. If you can get there, that's fine with me. So then we've got the blood types for a sample of donors at a blood drive. They're displayed there in that bar graph, and it says find the experimental probability that a randomly selected blood donor would have blood type O. So the probability of type O. So we've got 22 out of, and now we would have to count up the total number. So we've got 22 plus 21, that's 43, plus 5 is 48, plus 2 is 50. So we have 50 donors. So this would be 22 out of 50, 44%, 11 out of 25. Again, I'm not too concerned with which method you guys use to write your probability in or what form you write it in, as long as it's correct.